Hi friends, how are you all? Let's play with me friends. It must be really exciting my story today. Geez, the wheel went into a hole. I have to do something. I want to ask for help. Who is this? Can you help me or not? Oops, looks like I have to pull it off. I don't think I'm strong enough to pull this alone. Ooh la la. Finally, I succeeded. Now I have to close the hole. Okay.
Go, go, go!